when townhouses in Jamaica's exclusive Beverly Hills spark a political firestorm involving Prime Minister Andrew Holness, secret building permits, and accusations of corruption, you know we've got a scandal worth diving into. Stay tuned as we unravel the twists, turns, and a splash of drama. Hey, patriotic internet friends and family, welcome back to the channel. In this video, Prime Minister Andrew Holness, his business partner, at odds with IC over report on alleged building permits breach. Jamaica's single anti-corruption body has found that a Beverly Hills townhouse constructed by Estatebridge, a company linked to Prime Minister Andrew Holness and his business partner Norman Brown, has breached the building permit issued by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more juicy updates on Jamaica's political and social scene. Welcome all patriotic Jamaicans. The movement continues. Make we get into it now. Let's kick it off. Welcome to Beverly Hills. No, not the one in California. This is Kingston 6, where luxury real estate meets political controversy. At the center of this saga is a property located at 2 Weycliffe Close, a development by Estatebridge, a company linked to Prime Minister Andrew Holness and his business partner Norman Brown. The Integrity Commission, Jamaica's anti-corruption watchdog, claims Estatebridge violated its building permit. Instead of 4 two-bedroom townhouses, they constructed 4-bedroom units. Sounds minor, right? Well, buckle up. It's about to get messy. Now, we're not talking the footballer. The IC's Director of Investigations, Kevin Stevenson, dropped the hammer. These breaches were deliberate. Oh, and guess who's connected to Estatebridge? None other than Norman Brown, Sigia Anderson, the Prime Minister's sister, and Adam Holness, the Prime Minister's son. The plot thickens. Norman Brown, who's also the chairman of the Urban Development Corporation, as well as the Housing Corporation of Jamaica, which both falls under the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, that is headed by the Prime Minister. What? But wait, what does all this have to do with PM Holness himself? Stick around to find out. On Tuesday, Parliament got hit with the IC's report, and it was explosive. Stevenson argued that Norman Brown, who oversees the project, knew all along about the 4-bedroom setup. The kicker, Brown's own testimony contradicted itself over time. Let's get into some timelines. December 4, 2023. Brown admits to the IC that the property has 4-bedroom units. Fast forward, come October 31st, 2024, Brown changes his tune, claiming he wasn't involved in the original permit application. Meanwhile, Estatebridge isn't going down without a fight. They dismissed the IC's findings as baseless allegations and accused the Commission of bureaucratic overreach. And Prime Minister Holness, he's singing the same tune, claiming he's being targeted. Here's his statement: I don't own the property, nor am I a director or shareholder of Estatebridge. So why am I the focus of this report? So let's add some context to that statement what the PM just made. Now, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is the sole director and shareholder of Imperium Investments Holdings Limited, a company which has shares in Estatebridge. Interesting. Now, would you look at that? Kevin Stevenson, the IC's Director of Investigations, said the breaches of the building permit were deliberate. But here's where it gets juicier. Did the KSAMC, the very body that issued the building permit, know about these violations all along? The KSAMC responded, claiming their inspections found no breaches during site visits. Yet IC's Stevenson stands firm, alleging the contractor, Kenado Nesbeth, was fully aware of the violations. According to Stevenson, Nesbeth even admitted in a 2024 statement that the design included 4-bedroom units from the start. But in true plot twist fashion, Nesbeth later denied this. And let's not forget the law. Under sections 33 and 51 of the Integrity Commission Act, the IC can investigate breaches of public permits. Their recommendation: tougher penalties for developers who float the rules. As for PM Holness, he's not backing down. He's filed for judicial reviews of the IC's report, calling their timing suspicious. Whether this is political theater or a genuine corruption probe remains to be seen. Here's a summary of highlights and key takeaways. 1. The property, located at 2 Weycliffe Close, Beverly Hills, Kingston 6, developed by Estatebridge. 2. The breach, 4-bedroom townhouses built instead of the approved 2-bedroom units. 3. The players, PM Holness, Norman Brown, Adam Holness, and Sigia Anderson, link to Estatebridge. 4. The IC's findings, violations were deliberate. Brown's testimony shifted over time. 5. KSAMC's role, claimed no breaches during inspections, but IC's disagrees. 6. The legal framework. IC invoke sections 33 and 51 of their act, recommending stricter penalties for developers. Now let's get into my breakdown, my reaction, and my commentary. Just when you think things couldn't get any more worse, it actually does. You can't make this up. Even if you're a best soap opera screenwriter, you just can't make this ish up. Trust me. So, full context as it relates to Estatebridge, the directors of the company are Norman Brown, Sigia Anderson, the Prime Minister's sister, and Adam Holness, the Prime Minister's son. Now, look at that. And to go even further now, Norman Brown is the chairman of one of Jamaica's largest public bodies, the Urban Development Corporation, as well as the Housing Corporation of Jamaica, which both of them there fall under the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, that is headed by the Prime Minister. So all of this sounds and look like a major, huge conflict of interest. Very red alert and red flag go off right now. And then come to find out that the Prime Minister's company, Imperium Investments Holding Limited, is also a company that has shares in Estatebridge. So we are make the connections now. So as things move forward, everything just unravel over time. So now you can see why the PM so aggressively run go file for judicial review in the attempt to try stop the IC from actually going any further with the investigation. Cause the more they go, the more them are go find. And as it relates to the real estate development project of Estatebridge, the permit is for 2-bedroom units, and the man them build only 4-bedroom units. So now the contractor say from the jump, based off of what him see off of the building plans, there has always been on the blueprint for the construction of only 4-bedroom units when it should have been constructed for 2-bedroom units based on the location and the community. So then breach that as well. Well, I guess you can get away with anything when allegedly the PM is in your corner and allegedly his company has shares in Estatebridge. So allegedly it would seem that he's a part of the project, allegedly. And if the allegations and accusations are true that Imperium Investments Holding Limited, which is a company that belongs to PM Holness, actually has shares in Estatebridge, then PM Holness stands to benefit of this lucrative real estate investment. Allegedly, if the accusations are true. None of this can look good for the PM's political career and legacy. No, all of this make me wonder how much other real estate project Estatebridge have or run across Jamaica. You see me? Because this is just one what we know about, You see me? We don't know if they're involved in a housing scheme, gated community type development projects in other parishes in Jamaica. Cause none of this no look good. The PM name a call up and I get entangled and attached to them type of allegations and accusations. Now let's continue. An IC report tabled in Parliament on Tuesday concluded that the breaches were deliberate and that the directors of Estatebridge are liable. In a statement released by Estatebridge, rejected the IC report that it breached the building law in the construction of the apartment complex. The company's directors said at no time did the KSAMC observe a breach in the room count during its inspections. At the same time, the Prime Minister, in a separate statement, said he was concerned that he was being targeted. According to Stevenson, Norman Brown himself stated that he has a supervisory function in relation to the development, and Anderson indicated that Brown is the director who is generally responsible for Estatebridge's business operations. The commission said Brown, in a witness statement he signed, declared as truth that on December 4, 2023, the development consisted of 4-bedroom townhouses. So it would seem that Norman Brown backpedal on his statement or he make a retraction of his signed statement that was witness and he stated it as the truth. Why backtrack on your statement if you already signed to it in black and white, say you declare this as the truth? The Integrity Commission, IC, says the development has 4-bedroom townhouses instead of 4 2-bedroom townhouses as approved by the KSAMC. In a separate matter, Brown has asked the court to order the IC to remove findings that his chairmanship of 2 state entities that report to Holness poses a significant potential conflict of interest. You don't say. Brown's application for permission to apply for a judicial review of the report on Holness's finances follows a similar bid by the Prime Minister. The IC reported that Kennard Nesbitt, the project manager, in a verbal statement on July 12, 2024, to investigators from the anti-corruption body, indicated that there were departures from the building permit issued by the KSAMC and that efforts were being made to remedy the breaches. There's your smoking gun. So all indicators clearly show you say The permit that was granted by the KSAMC, and I'm assuming now, it was for 2-bedroom units. And the man them decide say we not care about that. 4-bedroom units we are make. However, Stevenson said that Nesbitt later denied making the statement. The man retract back in statement and said, no, me never say so, me never tell you that. The director of investigations found that Nesbitt either conspired with or aided and abetted the directors of Estatebridge in the commission of the breach. According to Stevenson, in Nesbitt's statement dated October 16, 2024, the contractor indicated that I designed the building plan for the development for submission to the KSAMC. Each unit would consist of 4 habitable rooms, a pool on the split level, 4 bathrooms, and a laundry and storage area. Here's where it gets interesting now. Stevenson said that the chief engineering officer at the KSAMC, Xavier Chavanez, I don't know if I butcher the name there, in a statement to the IC dated July 17, 2024, indicated that no application for amendment, that's the important word there, amendment, was made for this application located at 2 Weycliffe Close, Beverly Hills, Kingston 6. So the man them submit for the 2-bedroom, but instead them build 4. And they never file no application for amendments, which is then apply for no changes or no upgrade to the project, which is a breach. So there you have it, the political roller coaster, the political drama, the twists and the turns with the IC's report and PM Holness's allegations and accusations continue to unravel, and we are here to assess everything that's being said. So what do you think? Is this a case of bureaucratic overreach by the IC or a smoking gun of political corruption? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into Jamaica's biggest scandals. See you in the next one. One love, Jamaica.